Welcome to the fascinating world of histology. In this script, we will delve into the intricate details of hair follicles, which are not only essential for our appearance but also play crucial roles in various physiological processes. We will explore their development, structure, physiological functions, and their role in hair disorders. Additionally, we will discuss the innervation, stem cells, immune system, and even hair regeneration techniques. So, let's embark on this journey and unravel the secrets of hair follicles. Hair follicles are complex organs that produce and maintain hair shafts. They are found in nearly all skin regions except for the palms, soles, and glabrous skin. Hair follicles undergo cyclic changes, which will be discussed in detail later in this script. The main components of hair follicles include the hair bulb, dermal papilla, hair matrix, inner and outer root sheaths, and associated sebaceous and sweat glands. The hair cycle consists of distinct phases: anagen, growth phase, catagen, regression phase, and telogen, resting phase. During the anagen phase, the actively dividing hair matrix cells in the bulb generate new hair cells, which then undergo keratinization and elongation. The catagen phase marks the regression of the follicle, with the degradation of the lower portion of the hair bulb and cessation of hair shaft growth. Finally, during the telogen phase, the old hair shaft is shed, making room for a new hair to begin the cycle again. Hair follicle development starts during embryogenesis and proceeds through various stages. This process involves the interaction between multiple cell types, including epithelial cells derived from the surface ectoderm and mesenchymal cells derived from the underlying mesoderm. Signaling molecules, such as WNT, sonic hedgehog, and BMP, play vital roles in guiding the development and patterning of hair follicles. Within the hair follicle, specialized cells called hair germ cells are responsible for generating the hair shaft. These cells undergo a unique differentiation process and give rise to the inner and outer root sheaths. The inner root sheath cells surround the growing hair shaft, while the outer root sheath cells contribute to the formation of the hair canal. The hair shaft displays remarkable diversity in size, shape, and color across different regions of the body. It is primarily composed of a protein called keratin, which is synthesized by hair matrix cells. The ultrastructure of the hair shaft, including its cuticle, cortex, and medulla, determines its strength, elasticity, and overall appearance. Hair pigmentation is determined by the presence of melanocyte, specialized cells located in the hair bulb. Melanocyte produce a pigment called melanin, which imparts color to the hair shaft. Genetic and environmental factors influence hair pigmentation, resulting in various shades from blonde to black. Various conditions can affect the hair follicles, leading to hair thinning, hair loss, alopecia, and other abnormalities. Examples of hair disorders include androgenic alopecia, alopecia areata, telogen effluvium, and trichotillomania. These conditions have diverse etiologies, ranging from genetic predisposition to autoimmune reactions or hormonal imbalances. Hair follicles receive dense innervation from sensory and sympathetic nerves. These nerves play important roles in regulating hair growth, follicle cycling, and secretion of sebaceous glands. Nerve fibers are present within the connective tissue sheath surrounding the hair follicle, forming complex networks that extend into the hair bulb. Hair follicle stem cells reside in a specialized region known as the bulge, located above the hair bulb. These stem cells are responsible for continuous hair follicle regeneration throughout life. They play a crucial role in maintaining the cycling process and regeneration of the hair follicle after injury. The hair follicle possesses a complex immune system that protects it from infections and maintains tissue homeostasis. Immune cells such as macrophages, mast cells, and T cells are present within the hair follicle and play both protective and regulatory roles. Advancements in regenerative medicine have led to the development of various hair regeneration techniques. These techniques aim to stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of hair follicle stem cells or deliver exogenous cells to promote hair growth. Examples include platelet-rich plasma therapy, stem cell-based approaches, and hair transplantation techniques. Multiple structures associated with hair follicles contribute to their overall function and maintenance. These include sebaceous glands, sweat glands, erector pili muscles, and hair follicle sensory receptors. Together, they form an integrated system that regulates sebum production, thermoregulation, sensory perception, and hair shaft direction. In conclusion, the study of hair follicles provides valuable insights into the complex mechanisms of hair growth and development. Understanding their structure, function, and the intricacies of the hair cycle enhances our knowledge of various hair disorders and contributes to the development of novel therapeutic approaches for hair regeneration. Continued research in this field promises further advances in the treatment of hair-related conditions and improving our overall understanding of skin physiology.